Hey Chichat fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash and I'm so happy to be back with another interesting video, with another bang. I know you guys, it's been a minute. Yes, I've been away for some days, but now I'm back with a bang, okay? So today guys, I've come with the top 18 of Zimdancehall artists and their partners or their wives. So on number 18 guys, we have Hulengan and Malot. They look cute together and also they support each other even in any situations. Malot always supports Hulenkende as her partner, and also they are now expecting a baby together. So yeah, then on number 17 guys, we have Baga. So Baga recently posted this girl on his social media platforms, and also this girl posted Baga as well. So we don't have really enough information, that's why I put them on number 17. Then number 16 guys, we have Windsor. So this is the ex-wife to Windsor and this is the current girlfriend to Windsor. I wanted to show you guys everything about Windsor so you get what I am trying to tell you. Then guys, on number 15 we have Ricky Fire and the partner. They also look pretty, look amazing, I look awesome. Then guys, on number 14 we have Gaspi Warrior. We all know Gaspi Warrior and with the song yes, they look so pretty together or with the partner. I'm so happy to see these amazing artists with their partners looking amazing, looking happy as well. Then guys, we have Ras Caleb. We put him on number 13. A lot of people, they really don't know this couple, but you guys, they are so good together. And I love the fact that the wife really loves what the husband do, okay, and she's always supporting. That's why we also put them on number 13. Then now guys, we're moving on to number 12. On number 12 we have Blood and the partner. They also look pretty together. And I remember there's this comment in the on one of the posts for this girl, and someone said, you know what, we don't know what you're doing to Blood, but I think you're a nest because the Blood is glowing. Guys, try. But anyway guys, before we continue, please support this channel by smashing that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and also let me know what you think guys in the comment section. I know you have your thoughts, I know you have your list, just let me know, or else anyone that I left out, let me know as well in the comment section. I'll be love and I'll be grateful you guys to just come back with part 2 of these amazing couples for you to just know, okay? Yes guys, and also let's appreciate our new subscribers to the channel. Welcome guys to the channel of Love and Good Vibes. We love you, we appreciate you so much, so please keep watching. Then guys, on number 11 we have Shinso and a beautiful family. Honestly, they have beautiful children and also the beautiful wife, and we support that. Keep going. Baba Divande and my Divande, they're always like together. They always post each other as well on different social media platforms. Then on number 10 we have Fantan. So Fantan recently guys, they have issues with the wife, but we can consider them as one of those couples that we can say they were together and they were okay, and we just pray that they will be also okay as well. They'll just fix things together and they'll just start it again, like start it afresh. So yeah, that's our prayer, me and you, I guess. So if it's not you, then that's me alone. Then guys, on number 9 we have Just Signal. Also, there was this trending story of mana whatnot. But it is what it is guys. They also look pretty, they have babies, so we just say, yeah, you're doing great. You guys keep whatever you're doing banning. Then on number 8 guys, we have Pumako guys, actually a beautiful family. Yes, anombonga kambunyarara for some time, but I respect their relationship. Honestly, I respect it because he always come up for the wife, which is all ladies really want. So yeah, Pumako, well done, and we just wish you the best of all the things that you're doing. As long as you're taking care of the wife, you are the best. Then on number 7 guys, we have Ja Master. I think you guys, you know him as Ja Master Pandise and yes, Ja Master also and the wife, they look so pretty and amazing together. And remember Chingoti aiwa rabai mchidanana and vana venyu vakure vaina baba na dedi, vaina baba na mama pa vari pamwe chete zvisiri zvokuti co-parenting what, and we respect that for Ja Master. We respect that, and we respect the fact that he went on to pay lobola for the wife. Then on number 6, guys, we have Killer T. So Killer T last year around November, December, he posted the wife, and a lot of people were like, okay, now I'll fake my pajama. Wow. And it also shows that they are in love. Kwanamruba from Africa matching, he's in love. Then we have Raspombi. Honestly, I think I love this couple. They are silent, but I just feel like it's one of those couples that we just need to praise, and you just need to say, you guys, you are doing an amazing job. Raspombi, you are doing great job, and they look so pretty together, guys. Then on number 4, guys, we have Toki Vibes. And Toki Vibes, I love him so much in the fact that he always support the wife, and it was so sad sometime when the wife paakaita miscarriage and later on they have a baby. Some of those things, not murume ari kumira nemumwe wake, dai ari umwe akatoenda kunzi akanotsvaga abcd, but he was there for the wife, which is also one of the things that we can say, Toki, you did well, and just keep it moving, keep it burning. Then we have Freeman. We all know Freeman and the wife. A lot of people, they're like, hey, mukadzoka kashata, hey, what. But Freeman was like, no, ndiye wandaka vane komajaka, and I'll keep her like that. And we love it as it is. Well done. Keep it up, Freeman. And we just love the fact that even the wife is so quiet. She's not someone who is laba all over. She's so reserved, which is one of the things that we can say, okay, you are someone who is really mature. Then on number 2, guys, we have Bazooka. I think I'm in love with this couple because they just did everything together. It's one of those couples as well, growing up together, get married, attending graduation ceremonies for the lady. They're just good. And their son now is old, and they're just growing. So keep it up, guys. We will keep supporting you no matter what. Then, guys, ta-da! We have our number 1. It's Enzo Aisha and Mafadzwa. Manje, this couple is just something else. We just feel like these guys, they are literally best friends. Yes, they're literally best friends, guys, and they always play videos together, having some family moments. Even the Mafadzwa will be having the older son to Enzo, blending so well. You don't even notice that she's not the real mother. You don't even notice that. And the happiness on Enzo's face can tell everything. And there's this other time Enzo went to an interview. I don't remember if it's Power FM or a Star FM, but he actually said it out loudly, publicly, that Mafadzwa is his best friend. And it's one of the things, and he went on saying, you know what, even if I have a show, I'll call my wife, I'm coming and pick you up, because Mafadzwa Sata graduate and kuchikoro, I'll come and pick you up, we have a show, I want to go with you, I'm going to South Africa, I want to go with you. I was like, okay. So let's give them a thumbs up, guys, and we just pray that it will keep on moving. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye, guys.